If you're a teacher or a student, or possibly an international traveler once the borders lift, then don't go anywhere because this product is for you. It's a game changer and we're going to unbox it right now. Hello everybody, welcome back to the I'm All Abroad YouTube channel. Before we get underway with the unboxing today, if you are brand new here, please help a little channel grow a little bit more by simply clicking on the subscribe button and the notification tab. Now it doesn't cost you anything to do that, but it does help a little channel out big time. Now today's unboxing I'm really excited about. It's a product that I've already mentioned on the I'm All Abroad YouTube channel, but this is an updated version, and throughout the course of, well, several different videos, you're not just going to see me unboxing it, but also using it, and we're going to find out whether it is good or whether it is not. So let's get underway with the unboxing. Now, I've never been very good with unboxing videos, mainly because I never know what to say. I'm not very good at it. I like live streaming instead. For some reason, I can put words together when I'm live streaming, but when I'm pre-recording something like now, I have great trouble with it all. But we'll see how we go anyway. Opening the box, we have lots of bubble wrap. And the product that we are interested in, it is a GlocalMe. If you haven't seen my channel before, you may not know what a GlocalMe is. The box doesn't really give much away. There's nothing on the box. The box is completely, well, blank. There's some serial numbers, but there's not much on the box. But what's inside is one of the most exciting products I have ever come across for travelers mainly, but you could use this at home if you're a teacher, a student, going to university, or possibly just even at home. So opening up the box, we come across, well, to start with, a little cardboard tray. We'll see what's in that first before we look at the device, covering that up very quickly. And in here, well, we have the picture of what the device looks like. But this will be all the boring stuff that I'm pretty sure none of us ever read. Yeah, it is. We've got the instruction book. It's in different languages, as you would expect. We don't need that. We possibly do, but we'll come back to it a little bit later. And of course, we've got a SIM card pin prodder thing, whatever they're called. But the important bit, of course, is looking at the device, and there it is there. Doesn't it look spectacular? No doubt you already know what a GlocalMe is. It's a portable Wi-Fi hotspot, but it's on steroids. It does a whole lot more than what your normal Wi-Fi hotspot will do. So lifting it out of the pack, it's quite slim. I'd say it's about the size of an Apple iPhone, maybe even a little bit smaller. It's relatively light, which is very good. But it does look quite nice, I have to say. But before we get into the GlocalMe device, let's look at what else is in the box. It'll be stuff that I'm pretty sure we all know will be in the box anyway, such as we have a USB-C charging cable, which is great. So many devices these days still don't have the USB-C plug. Luckily, this one does, which is fantastic. And we also have a USB-C to a female USB. So I guess that's just like a little extension cable if you wanted a bit of extra length on your cable. That's great. Like that. Fantastic. And there's nothing else in the box. Nothing else to show you. So there is a reason why I love this GlocalMe device compared to other devices on the market. The first thing is, of course, it's a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. That's fantastic. You can connect up to 10 devices on this, and we are going to test that out in future videos to see if what they claim actually works. But the great thing about this device is, if you have your own SIM card, you can put it in this device and your own telco will provide you the internet that you need. But if you're traveling around the world, instead of having to line up when you get off a plane to try get a SIM card or sign contracts to get the internet while you're on holidays, this device requires no contracts at all, and it will give you internet pretty much anywhere in the world. Simply when you land in a country, select the country that you're in, how much internet you want, pay for it, that's it, you're connected. And again, throughout the course of this series, the next few videos, we will cover that, and we're going to test every single feature of this GlocalMe to see if it does stack up as good as what I'm saying. Now, looking at the device, it does look beautiful. It looks like an iPhone, possibly glass screen. It's a metal casing on there, so you know it's nice and sturdy. You've got a volume control here, which will be important for some of the features. On the other side, you've got the USB-C cable. That's where you charge it, of course. You've got a power button, and here's a little compartment if you want to put your own SIM card in it. Underneath, now I'm not sure what these are, but it looks like some sort of data connector or possibly charging port. Maybe they have a device that you can just literally plug it in by sitting it on top. I'll have to find out about that. But nevertheless, isn't it beautiful? Let's see if it's got any charge on it to turn it on. Oh, it has. Powered by Android. So now you can see why I love this device. It's not just the portable hotspot, it's got other features on there, which is fantastic if you're a tourist or a traveler, because you've got maps on there, Google Maps. You've also got a translator, which would come in very handy, especially for me. I can't speak many languages at all. I even have trouble with English sometimes. And then if you click the More tab, it comes up with TripAdvisor and the customer service department of GlocalMe. And I have to say, I've dealt with a lot of customer service companies before, and a lot of them have been really, really bad. GlocalMe is spot on with their customer service. I've never had to wait a great deal of time for a reply. They're very responsive. They totally understand what you're contacting them about, and they sort things out very, very quickly. You'll be very impressed, in fact, with the GlocalMe company. Okay, we're stopping the explanation about the GlocalMe at the moment because while I was filming, it just automatically went into a systems update, which is fantastic. Many times I've purchased a camera and I've taken it out the box and it says you have to update the firmware straight away and you have to try and connect to the internet and play with buttons and try figure it out yourself. It's a pain in the backside, I have to say. This is not connected to, well, my internet at the moment anyway. It's just connected to GlocalMe and it automatically started to update its firmware. So while this is doing the firmware update, I've got to tell you, and I'm pretty sure you know this, most YouTubers do product reviews. And a lot of the bigger YouTubers get the product for free. And in getting it for free, the company tells the YouTuber what they want the public to hear. So a lot of the reviews on YouTube are not based on real fact. It's what the company wants you to hear. Oh, I've got this product, it's fantastic. I have to tell you, GlocalMe did send me this product. They never offered me it. I, in fact, approached them and said, look, I love your product. I had an earlier version of it. I would really, really love to look at your new product and show the YouTube community what I think of it. And I made it very clear to GlocalMe, and they made it very clear to me as well, that this has got to be honest the whole way through. There's going to be no making things up about how this device operates. And the way I'm going to do it is, very soon I'm going to start doing all my live streams in Perth, Australia with this GlocalMe device. And you're going to be able to see how it operates just by simply coming back to the channel. For if we're out and about and we're live streaming and there's problems, you know that it's a GlocalMe device. And we're going to see if this does really stack up to what it says it can do. And then if it does, when the international travel borders open, we're going to be going over to Japan and we're going to be doing stuff with this GlocalMe device. So it is really important, if you do want to know more about this device, that you do subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the notifications, because we are going to go in depth with this particular product. Okay, so the firmware is now complete. Can this device get any better as a travel companion? Well, yes, it can, because already if I click on more, you see there's a brand new feature and it is a currency converter. This is literally an all-in-one travel companion. Going back to the main screen, we could see GlocalMe has already given me, as the startup, 1 gigabyte of internet. That's through their particular service. That allows you to, well, get connected to their service to make sure that everything's working and everything is fine. So you've seen some of the features that GlocalMe has to offer when you first turn on the device. But I've got a feeling that there might be some other features in this device that I don't know about. So over the next couple of days, I'm going to play around with this to see exactly what it can do, and I'm going to report it back to you. But join us for the next video in this series, because we're going to start testing out the features on this GlocalMe device. It claims that we can connect up to 10 devices on this particular device, and we are going to test that out. The only way you're going to find out if it works or not is by coming back to the I'm All Abroad YouTube channel. And until then, wherever you are in this great, wide, wonderful world of ours, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, or night. We'll see you next time round.